a broadband provider, we provide the infrastructure to multiple occupancy buildings to allow landlords, investors, agents to provide reliable connectivity as part of their service offering to tenants. We've been going for 12 years and obviously have a lot of experience from a technical point of view, but also the understanding of our sector as well. Including connectivity positively impacts the marketability of your property, but also the retention of tenants in a property as well. I think in this industry you're only as good as your team, and you want reliable partners who can take something off your list, whether it's lettings, finance or maintenance contractors. And obviously we fit into the supply chain and a lot of landlords and property organisations around the UK, and we've built up that profile and reliability over 12 years, as I say, and people trust us to get the job done and to provide a great service, and that's why I think trust is important, and it takes a while to build up that trust, and I think obviously we're in that position now. Well, the internet's the fourth essential utility, isn't it? And that's what we look after, and it's such an important part of someone's living experience.